The right way to have your car repaired after an accident. If you have been involved in a car accident, you will need to get your car repaired the right way. Let's take a look at how you should go about getting your car repaired. Getting an estimate. Your insurance company is likely to get the estimate for you by paying someone to take a look at your damaged vehicle. In the event that you can still drive your car lawfully, some insurance companies may ask you to take your car to one of their closest estimating facilities. The repair shop. It's likely that you can choose which repair shop you want your car to go to. However, some insurers state that you need to use a repair shop of their choice. If you can choose your own repair shop, your insurance company is likely to favor them if they can give them a good rate. Deals such as these that can save the insurance company a bit of cash are known as direct referral program contracts. Once an insurance company has selected a repair shop, they will usually give them a lot of business, and in response to this, the repair shop is likely to lower the price slightly. While this may seem like a good thing, it is only beneficial to you if the repair shop or facility has control over how your car is repaired. Before you decide to buy auto insurance, check that the insurance company will let you choose your repair shop. If they don't let you, there's always a chance that they could limit the repairs on your vehicle, as they may be more interested in keeping their costs down. This is not to say that every insurance company behaves this way, but it is something you should be aware of. One of the best things you can do is purchase insurance that allows you to choose your own repair shop. This means that if you have an accident, you can tell your insurance company who you have selected, although they may already know, and that the repair shop offers good customer service. If you have been injured in a car accident that was caused by another driver, please speak to a personal injury lawyer as soon as you can, as you may have a personal injury claim. Used parts. The repair shop or facility may repair your car using parts that are not new, or those which have not been made by the car's manufacturer. Although many people would like the repair shop to use parts that have been made by the original equipment manufacturer, it's usually cheaper for them to use parts that have been made by someone else. The good news is that if another driver caused the accident, their insurance company has to make sure your car is put back into the same condition that it was before the accident. This information is usually found under the driver's property damage liability insurance. This means that if your car had no used parts, they cannot use them to repair your car after an accident. However, if your car contained used parts before the accident, it is perfectly okay for them to repair your car using used parts. If you are offered low-quality parts that have not been made by the original equipment manufacturer, you should not accept the parts. If the repair shop or facility insist on using the parts, you should contact the other driver's insurance company. You should be aware that if your insurance company is dealing with the repairs, there may be a provision in your policy that states it's okay to use parts that are of like kind and quality. This is also known as LKQ. You may wish to insist that all non-original equipment manufacturer parts are not of like kind and quality, and they should at least be used original equipment supplied by the manufacturer. If your insurance company or that of the other drivers insists that they use parts that are not supplied by the car's manufacturer, non-OEM, you may want to pay the extra money so you can get original parts. You may also want to take the at-fault driver to court so you can claim the extra money back. You should also insist that the driver's insurance company gives you a warranty that shows the parts will last as long as you own the vehicle. When additional damage is found. If additional damage has been found whilst your car is being repaired, do not worry. The repair shop or facility will contact the insurance company and notify them of the damage. It's very likely that the insurance company will then send an appraiser to take a look at the vehicle to determine if they agree that there is additional damage. If the appraiser agrees, the repair shop or facility can repair the additional damage. For more information about how much an insurance provider may pay out, please read our article, How Much Will a Car Insurance Provider Pay After an Accident?